Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my what I got for Christmas video. So a couple of things we're working with today. It is gloomy as all get out, so we're working with a different lighting situation. You'll have to let me know in the comments below how you feel about that. Once again, lazy with the makeup because I can't be bothered. I'm literally doing nothing but sitting on the couch and reading and watching Drag Race reruns today, so it is what it is. I didn't feel like putting on a full face of makeup, so this is what we're working with. But yeah, I won't be showing cash, checks, gift cards, scratch offs, anything like that. But this is pretty much everything else I got for Christmas. So with no more hesitation, I'll just start in the order that things are sitting in front of me. So I had a girlfriend make me a couple things. She made me a little ornament, and she also made me these Bernie mittens, which are just precious. These are so cute. I got this Derma-E skincare kit. I got a couple of beverages. Got this bottle of wine. Austin got me that. His mom actually got me a bottle of Aperol because I ran out. So I was like, yeah, I can use that. Definitely. His mom also got me this lotion, and I'd actually asked for this. This is from Maypop. It is the steeped in milk lotion, passion fruit, which I just finished the lotion sample size thing that I'm knocking things on the floor. I don't even know what that was. Anyway, I just finished the sample size lotion of this I had gotten in one of my subscription boxes, and I loved it, but I couldn't justify buying it for myself because I have so many lotions. So I asked for it as a gift, and it comes in this really nice glass bottle. So I'm gonna put this at one of our sinks because I think it'll function really nicely as like a post hand washing hand lotion. I really like this stuff. Another friend got me this Brittany notebook. You better work. So it's got a couple iterations of Brittany on there, which is really cute. I've got a Jonas Brother one like this too. Also a book, but different. My father-in-law got me the Not All Diamonds and Rosé book, the Housewives book, so I'm excited to read this. Right now I'm working on my Bimini Bombouish book, Release the Beast. I just started that, so I'm like a chapter in, but then after that I think I'll crack into this one. Austin got me a little Lush gift box. I think this was like a relaxation theme or something, because everything seems to be about mellowing down for sleep time. So it's got the Sleepy shower gel and the Dream cream body lotion, and then let me grab the paper so I can tell you what the other two are. So this is a French Kiss bubble bar and the Twilight bath bomb, and they all smell really, really good. So I'm excited for all these. My brother and my sister-in-law bought me this. It is the RuPaul Chia Pet. How crazy is that? We were out with them a while ago. We went to like a candle making thing, a little shop that just does candle making. You can make your own. And then we walked around to a bunch of shops in that area after, and one of the comic book shops we went in had this, and I was like, oh my god, I think I need that. And they must have went back and bought it. So I'm really excited for this because it's absolutely ridiculous. My father-in-law got me some shoes from Allbirds. These were on my want list for a while, but I didn't really need new tennis shoes, so I hadn't got around to it myself, but he went ahead and bought me these. I'm really excited about them. They are the Tree Runners in the Kaikoura white. So I'll just pull out one of these for you. But it's basically a really basic white walking shoe. Now that we live in the city, I do enjoy walking places a lot more, and especially now that we have one car. If Austin's got the car for some sort of work thing and I need to run some errands that are really quick, like I need to pop over to the post office to mail Poshmark purchase, or go to the ATM for something, or whatever errand I might need to run, it's nice to be able to walk to that stuff. So having a good shoe for that, especially because during the week I'm almost always just in leggings and a sweater. Pretty much either my girlfriend or my bold body leggings and sports bra and a sweater. So I don't need a cute shoe, I just need something practical, and these are perfect. think these are the size 6 that I got, and they came with 2 extra sets of what are these, shoestrings. So they were giving out this green and white striped one for Christmas, and then I think the blue is just the set that they come with as an extra. So really pumped about this. It's funny because he went all the way to New Jersey to get these, which seems funny, but they literally had a business meeting like 10 minutes away from the store that sold them, so they're like, yeah, I'll just get them there. So I thought that was amusing, but yeah, I'm very excited about these shoes. And then my big gift for the year, which I'm very jazzed about because I'm an Apple products girl and I just really enjoy the products they put out. And also I happen to be the kind of person that holds on to headphones until they are literally falling apart and just don't even work anymore. Austin got me some AirPods. I'm really excited. These are the new ones, I guess the 3rd generation, and I'm so jazzed. I already went online and bought the case that matches my phone case from Velvet Caviar to put these in because I'm just really excited. So there's my cute little AirPods. So now that I showed them in this video, I can actually start using them because I refused to touch any of my new stuff until I showed it in this video. But I'm so excited. I hate getting tangled up in the wire, especially at night, because sometimes I like to listen to some ASMR videos or just something relaxing on my phone, maybe something from the Calm app, while I'm just laying in bed like unwinding, and hooking in the headphones and having the wire like basically tangle around your neck and nearly choke you to death is not fun. So I'm really excited for these, and I'm also excited that they will just Bluetooth connect to all my devices. I can use it with my computer and my iPad and my phone, and I don't have to have a different set of headphones all over the house, because like, especially because Apple likes to play too many damn games, the headphones for this is a different jack than for my computer. I'm pointing because it's right here in front of me, and it's really annoying. So now, one for all. I'm very excited about it. So this is my happy big present for the year, even though it's really little. And that's everything I have to share with you guys. I completely forgot to film this in my video, so this clip will be inserted somewhere. But Austin also got me a subscription to Veg News magazine for the next year. I've had a subscription before in the past, I think a year or 2 ago, and I just really enjoy looking through this magazine and reading some of the articles, so I'm excited about that too. Not a lot of stuff, but a lot of good stuff, you know? So I'm excited to get to using these things and actually putting them away now. And I am just really happy with how my holiday went, even though it was another holiday where we really didn't get out and see anyone because everyone's either sick or has COVID, thus being also sick. So I guess that counts as sick. I don't know. Losing my mind. And then like I didn't want to go to any big family gatherings because I know some people aren't vaccinated, and that worries me. And then also like people are catching it everywhere these days, so I don't want to get it, you know. But it was still a nice holiday, a nice peaceful relaxing holiday, and I hope you guys had a nice peaceful relaxing holiday, or just series of days if you don't celebrate. I personally only celebrate commercially, I'm not religious. But yeah, I'm just rambling at this point. That's what I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. Let me know what you got for Christmas if you celebrate. And hit the subscribe button and stick around for a while. My next video after this will be Petite Vor. It did finally arrive today, so one of my boxes is here. I'll probably film that next, so you'll see the same getup, the same face in the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!